In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create title-only and content-only custom layouts in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted cleaner slides without extra boxes getting in the way, custom layouts are the way to go. We'll build two, one that shows only a title and another that shows only content. This keeps your design consistent and saves time when you're building a deck. Start by opening the Slide Master. Go to the View tab and choose Slide Master. Think of the Slide Master as the control center for your presentation's layouts. Anything you set up here becomes a reusable option you can apply to any slide later. With the Slide Master open, create a new layout. On the Slide Master tab, click Insert Layout. PowerPoint will add a blank layout beneath your master. This is your canvas for a custom design that won't affect your other layouts. Now add placeholders. For a title-only layout, go to Insert Placeholder and choose Title. Click to place it on the slide and position it where you want your title to appear. Keep it simple. Don't add any other placeholders to this layout. You can adjust the size and alignment so the title sits neatly on the slide, and you'll only get a title box when you use it. For a content-only layout, repeat the idea, but with content. Go to Insert Placeholder and choose Content. Place it where you want your text, images, charts, or other objects to go, and skip the title placeholder entirely. This layout is perfect for full-bleed visuals, dashboards, or slides where a title would be distracting. Next, name each layout so it's easy to spot later. Right-click the layout thumbnail, choose Rename Layout, and give it a clear name like Title Only or Content Only. Descriptive names make a big difference when you're moving quickly through a presentation and applying layouts on the fly. When you're done customizing, close the master. On the Slide Master tab, click Close Master View to return to your normal slide editing view. To apply your new layouts, select any slide, go to the Home tab, click Layout, and choose your custom title-only or content-only layout from the list. Your slide updates instantly to match the structure you designed without affecting your theme or existing content on other slides. That's it. With these two custom layouts ready to go, you'll build cleaner, more consistent slides in less time. Save your presentation so these layouts are available next time, and you're set for faster, more polished decks.